Here we go. I want to use this privilege to bless the name of the Lord for His love, for His kindness over my life, over my business. I return the praises, honor unto the name of the Lord in Jesus' name. By the special grace of God, my pigs has given birth to 10 piglets, and I have nothing to say than to give God the glory, honor, and adoration. It's not easy, and you can see they are all doing well. So I want all my fans out there to join me to bless the name of the Lord for His good work, for His marvelous work over my business. May His name be glorified in Jesus' name. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Some more updates. I will continue to update you how it goes, so you can see them. They are doing well. Some are over there relaxing.